What's up, beautiful people? In this video, I will be repurposing my marigolds that are planted in the front yard, moving them to the backyard garden. Let's get to it. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people? It's me, Rickey Jones Jr. back again for another video. And like I said, we will be replanting these marigolds to the back because for those that don't know, or for those that do know, I am now growing an in-ground garden, and I need the protection necessary for my plants, my greens, my things to thrive, okay? And so I know marigold is that powerful companion plant that I'm gonna use. So I have some in the front, I'm gonna bring it to the back, I'm gonna show y'all what to do, I'm gonna show you how to do it and why you should do the various things that I will show you all that I'm doing in this here video. If you are new to the channel, if you would, click that subscribe button as we are on our way to 50,000 subscribers by the end of 2022. And with the help of you, we could do that thing that much more quicker. So let's go to the front, dig some things up, then come back to the back and plan on where they need to go. One of the first things I did was put some water in this here bucket with some dirt in it because it is hot outside, and I don't want when I pull the roots up that this is all, or that the roots dry out and die in the transplanting phase. So that's something to keep in mind if it's hot where you are like it is where I am. And so from here, let's just go ahead and dig up these roots so that we can get the marigold where we want it to be. Man, already, big bucket full. Let's go to the back and transplant them. Asian great people, you'll get a big one like this, which when I plant it, you'll see how big it is. And what I recommend to do is just put it in a corner pocket area that it can cover a lot of ground, but at the same time not cover your garden from doing what it's doing, which is obviously growing and being all that you want it to be. I'm gonna put it right here in the corner, and it'll be good to grow from here. Oh, yes, Lord. That was a workout that I was not expected to have, but I am also excited because I have 360 protection with my marigolds now that I have pulled them from the front, and now they are in the back. And so the next thing to do is definitely water things so that they can get acclimated to the soil. You all know how watering goes. If you don't, stick to the end, and I'll do it after I finish everything. But nonetheless, with it all in it all, we are now protected, okay, around the border, and I will still do some companion planting in between the rows and things like that with my kale, with my collards, with my other things, okay? And so those will be companion planting with different herbs such as like thyme, rosemary, oregano, and the list goes on. So make sure you stay tuned for those when that takes place. However, the border is secured, which is a large part of what you want to do, okay? Protection, 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 so that you can do things holistically, organically, and naturally, okay? And you don't have to put down any pesticides or anything that will contaminate your garden, or even if you're trying to eat it yourself or grow it for other people, you definitely want to put anything, you don't want to put anything harmful into your soil, which will then end up on your plate, okay? So with it all in it all, I love you all, I appreciate you all, and thank you for staying tuned. That was a very, very tedious and job bring the garden from the front to the back has further commenced, as well as the protection for the garden while it's in the back has begun. So gardening is next. Love y'all. I appreciate you all. Peace.